Hi everybody and happy Friday. This is Madonna from Mad Beast Quilt and Sew. And guess what? We are on day number 10 of our 12 days of deals. And today I have a fun project. So this is actually a kit. That's the word for it. That's what we call this. It's a kit, and it's a kit for, we're calling it the Moda Bag. It is for a projects half done bag. So in here, you are going to receive fabrics, vinyl, fusible, to be able to make one of these project bags. It's a little zipper open bag that you can tuck in all your projects. And the fun thing about this is you're actually getting this fabric here that's actually a heavier weight. It's more of a canvas weight, so this bag is going to last and last. But wait, this is what is shown on the bag. Wait till you see the other pieces on this. This one here has the word smile and a camera. We have crafting each day keeps the crazy away. I love that. Okay, can't you just see that as a fun throw pillow? I mean, easy and fun. And then we've got a couple other ones on here. It says, chin up, buttercup. Everything's gonna be okay. Quilting takes me to my happy place. Just so happy. So this is a canvas weight piece of fabric. All of the other pieces in it are canvas weight. So you're getting the pattern, the heavier weight fabrics, the vinyl, all in this Moda bag. But wait, we also have it in creams. So if you really like it in the cream color, we also have that in creams. So black or cream, you get to tell us which one. And you're gonna need the clippies to go with it. So the clippies with this is today's deal. So you choose black, cream, and clippies, and the price is awesome. Normal price would have been $62.25. Today it's $51. That's great. And then, you know what? Just you wait, because I'll be, oh, you know what else comes in here? Is a zipper. It's just not in here.
Yes.
We do have them coming, so you will get the zipper also. So, zipper, vinyl, pattern, fabric, and stabilizer, all in the deal, and it's $51. So I think that's really cool. So let us know which one you're interested in, cream or black, and I will see you tonight.
And
yes, what were you saying?
By clippies, she means Jumbo Wonder Clips by
Jumbo,
Clover.
oh, sorry. Clippies are Jumbo Wonder Clips by Clover. Yes, they are. So these are awesome. Okay, so at my house, you will find them in my sewing room. But less than 10 steps from my sewing room, less than 3 steps from my sewing room, is my pantry. If you ever need one, they might also be in the pantry as a chip clip. They work wonderful for that. So these are our jumbo clips, because on some of these heavier projects, you do need something that's going to hold it in place better. So that's the promo for today. It is Friday. Join us tonight at 6 o'clock Arizona time, which means we will be on Comment Sold then, and we've got a great night lined up for you. I've got some tips and tricks and techniques, some quilt blocks that you can only get there tonight, a brand new table runner, so tons and tons of things. So join us tonight, and we'll see you about 6 o'clock. Everybody have a great day. Bye now.